Well, Andre, back in September, Adnan Syed walked down these steps a free man when his conviction was vacated after more than 20 years in prison. But this hearing was not about guilt or innocence. This decision was rather about the victims' families' right to be at that original hearing. Their lawyer tells me there were some 200 people there. Hae Min Lee's family was not among them.
They feel good. They feel like it was a victory not only for them, but also for victims' rights in general.
A feeling of relief and vindication from the family of Hae Min Lee. Their lawyer, Stephen Kelly, says the Appellate Court of Maryland ruled in their favor, reinstating Adnan Syed's conviction and sentence for Hae's murder.
The process before was closed and secret. Now it's going to be open and transparent. That's the biggest thing. And our client will have a chance to be there in person, to challenge the evidence.
Kelly says the court ruled 2-1 that it was a victim's rights violation for giving the Lee family less than 1 business day's notice of the hearing. They weren't able to travel from California in time to be there in person, but Lee's brother made a statement via Zoom.
I was surprised, but this was a hard case, in part because the statute itself is really ambiguous about what kinds of rights a victim has in these kinds of hearings.
David Jarris with the University of Baltimore School of Law says this ruling sends the case back to the lower court for a new hearing. But Jarris says the victim's family is not guaranteed the chance to speak in court.
It is a little bit striking that the victim's family in this case, which had notice and was able to make a statement by video, that wasn't deemed sufficient.
Nothing will happen for 60 days, but Syed's lawyers could appeal the decision to the Maryland Supreme Court. This ruling wasn't about guilt or innocence, but Kelly says the family wants to see the evidence about who murdered Hae.
Their mind is open. They want justice for Hae. They don't want the wrong person to be convicted. And if Adnan is the wrong person, they're the last people that want to see him spend another day in jail.
Syed family friend Rabia Chaudhry sent us a statement saying, quote, "We stand by the integrity of the evidence that exonerated Adnan and urge the Baltimore Police and State's Attorney's Office to find the source of the DNA on the victim's shoes and find Hae Min Lee's actual killer." Reporting live downtown, Kim Day, CWBAL TV 11 News.